Hi, Stanley. Thanks for taking the time to chat today. I've been running my clinic for a few years now, and I feel like I'm paying way too much in taxes. I keep hearing about other medical practices saving money, but I'm not sure what I'm missing.
Absolutely, Dr. Sarah. You're not alone. Many healthcare professionals overlook some really valuable tax breaks that the CRA offers. In fact, I'd bet there are a few deductions your practice could be claiming right now. Let's start with something simple. Have you been writing off your clinic renovations or upgrades?
Renovations? I did upgrade my waiting room last year to make it more patient-friendly, but I didn't think that would count as a business expense. Isn't that just a capital cost?
Great question. While it's true that some renovations are considered capital expenses, the CRA allows you to claim a portion of those costs through the Capital Cost Allowance, CCA. For example, if you upgraded your clinic's HVAC system or installed energy-efficient lighting, you could deduct a percentage of those costs each year. Plus, if you made any COVID-19 safety upgrades, like plexiglass barriers or air filtration systems, those might qualify for additional deductions.
Wow, I had no idea. What about medical equipment? I recently bought a new ultrasound machine, and it was a huge investment. Can I write that off?
Definitely. Medical equipment like ultrasound machines, X-ray devices, or even smaller tools like sterilizers can be claimed under Class 43 or 50 of the CCA. The best part? The federal government introduced temporary measures like accelerated depreciation rates for certain equipment, so you can write off a larger portion of the cost in the first year. That could mean significant tax savings for you.
That's amazing. I wish I'd known about this sooner. What about day-to-day expenses? I feel like I'm always buying supplies. Gloves, masks, even office supplies like printer ink.
Those are all deductible. The CRA allows you to claim operating expenses like medical supplies, office supplies, and even software subscriptions for things like telehealth platforms or patient management systems. One thing I often see medical practices miss is inventory write-offs. For example, if you have expired medications or unused PPE, you can write those off as a loss.
Really? I've been throwing out expired medications for years and never thought to claim them. This is a game changer. What about my staff? I have a mix of full-time nurses and part-time admin staff. Are there any payroll-related deductions I should know about?
Yes, payroll is another area where medical practices can save. For example, if you offer health benefits or retirement plans to your staff, those contributions are deductible. Also, if you've hired any students or apprentices, you might qualify for the Canada Job Grant or other federal incentives. And don't forget, if you've been paying for staff training or certifications, those costs are deductible too.
This is incredible, Stanley. I had no idea there were so many opportunities to save. I feel like I've been leaving money on the table for years. What's the next step? How do I make sure I'm claiming all of this?
The first step is to review your past expenses and identify any missed deductions. We can help you with a comprehensive tax review to uncover all the hidden breaks you're eligible for. We'll also set up a system to track these expenses moving forward so you don't miss out again. Sound good?
Absolutely. Let's get started. Thanks, Stanley. This has been eye-opening. I'm already feeling better about my clinic's finances.
My pleasure, Dr. Sarah. That's what we're here for, helping healthcare professionals like you keep more of what you earn. I'll send over a follow-up email with next steps, and we'll get this process rolling. Talk soon.